Dude, check that out. This thing is so creepy. Ah! Hey, what is up, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the alien death prop that I got from DistortionsUnlimited.com. Real quick, I just want to say they did not ask me to make this video. I'm not affiliated, but before I bought this, I just had a lot of questions about it, the quality, what it looked like, what it felt like, and I didn't see a whole lot of videos on YouTube about it, so if you're like me and you have a lot of questions, then this video is for you. Let's get right into it. Alright, so here's the box that it came in. Pretty good sized box. I'm going to do this one-handed, so just work with me here. Here is just a little more proof that it was from DistortionsUnlimited.com. I don't know how well that comes in, but yeah. This came in the mail a couple days ago, and I wanted to wait and make the video, so let's get right into it. Alright. Ooh, this looks promising. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We're going to move this box out of the way here. We're going to grab the alien by the arm or shoulder or whatever this is. And we're just going to pull it off. Check that out. That is awesome. Kind of give you a quick glance from head to toe here. Look at the detail. We got teeth. He must be sleeping or zonked out on drugs. But here's what it looks like, a quick head to toe. We'll go around the back. All right. So looks like we do have some more detail. This thing is pretty cool. It's kind of scary to just sit here and look at it. Oh wow, that does feel very, very durable. Like it will definitely last a long time. I definitely wouldn't manhandle it, but that definitely does feel pretty durable, long lasting. This is made from latex and foam, so you know it's not gonna break if you drop it. Give you guys kind of an aerial view here. Oh my god, that looks cool. I keep thinking he's going to come to life. Ah! Just kidding. Cool. Oh man, he looks like he's been through some stuff. So the one thing that I really do like about this is there's a lot of texture in detail. It's just not the one coat of paint on there making it kind of dull and bland. There's differentiation within the color. There's some contrast, some dark spots here and there. And like I say, there's just texture to it. You can see the chest line and the ribs. I didn't know aliens had that, but I guess they do. I guess he's non-binary, and he's got claws for feet. It's definitely going to be easy for travel. It doesn't take up too much space at all, so I cannot wait to use this thing in my other videos. This is going to be so cool. So tell me, what planet are you from? Overall, I want to say this is definitely worth buying. It feels durable. It's pretty good quality for what it is. I don't think it's going to break easily at all. I'm going to use it in a lot of my videos on my other YouTube channel. I'll post that link in the description below. But if you have any questions about this, feel free to let me know. And if this video was helpful, definitely smash that like button. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.